All right, this is another installment of the Glock 45 project. So I was able to finish machining the slide today. So we'll take a look at that. Again, the gun is empty. Drop the mag out. Take a look at the slide. So I machined new serrations in the front. I also machined cut chamfers in, and then took a small ball mill and machined texture into them. Put the same texture here on the side. Added serrations to the top, and then obviously the window for the ports. This side pretty much looks the same. Then you'll notice the barrel. So this is the original barrel from the first video where I showed the porting, but I did modify it. So originally I had a narrower slot at this end, and then they gradually got wider until they got down to the end. I took that and I just made them all the same and found that it did work better. And then from that, I made this version of the barrel. So I took the ports and moved them back, and then I did not mill a flat on top of the barrel. This guy worked really good. And then from there, we ended up with this version of the barrel. You can see those ports are fatter. And this one has been working really well. This is a OEM barrel. So I'm gonna send this guy off and get it black nitride coated. But as far as the slide goes, that is done. So it might be a while until I send it off. I do want to do some more testing. And then I did get some video of the machining, so I'll throw that in here. I think the video turned out.